wanted to ask you a question since you also head CBFC, and of late we have not seen any clashes. The last one was Padmavat, and of course, recently there was this whole debate about Raspberry, but I think that's a minor thing. What I wanted to ask you is
That has nothing to do with CBFC. That's an OTT platform,
exactly which
and
is not under.
OTT is not under the purview of CBFC.
Would you want it to be?
No, but it is the law of the land. Whatever the
Right.
law of the land is, that should be the case. I took the position because I felt that there is a need for to handle that.
Yeah.
There was a need for and I feel I could be because हम लोग बातें तो बहुत करते हैं.
जी.
When responsibility उठाने की बात आती है तो सब chicken out कर जाते हैं. So I felt that it is important that I take the responsibility and try to see if changes can be made. And I can tell you happily that in last 3 years, my tenure, you've seen yourself. There've been tough calls to be taken. I have been able to report to you that we've been able to resolve many issues. हम विचारों से और विचार विमर्श से solution निकाल पाए हैं rather than controversies. And there have been places where people have come voluntarily told that what you said was correct and we are making these changes. Because, see, it's a two-way traffic.
Right.
It's to strike a balance between the sensibilities of people and what you're doing is very, very tough. I never saw, as an artist, before CBFC, I never saw artistic work from that vantage point. Right. What would it do to people?
Yeah.
But a simple analogy I give you, a river is quiet and peaceful for a person who's standing on the river bank.
Right.
But the same river is aggressive for someone who's trying to swim against the tide.
Yeah.
Same river, but for one is aggressive,
yeah.
for one is quiet. Now it's a vantage point. Where are you seeing things? So I saw art from a vantage point. I never saw it before. And I tried to bring it forward to the industry and fraternity. And I tried to create many dialogues. I think so many platforms and so many dialogues we had with industry leaders. And I tried to put it forward. And I'm happy that, they heard me out. I heard them out. And we understood what is the purpose of this certification body is. And let's try and make it as fruitful as possible. So that has been my approach. It is a tough approach because it's time consuming. It requires a lot of dialogue and a lot of time, but it was an essential thing to do.
Prasanna, I'll just go back to the same situation when Kaveri started it. But the TV for serial, for example, what you can't see on the film, can't show on the film, you censor some of the scenes, but they seem to come back in the TV serial. What is not allowed on big screen is being allowed nakedly on small screen. And there is some procedure there also that there's no pre-censorship there. But don't you think this kind of thing should not be allowed because our serials are becoming the source of most of the bad things happening in the society? They show all sorts of things. कुछ दिखा रहे हैं, किसी को दिखा रहे हैं, कोई नागिन दिखा रहा है, कुछ और दिखा रहा है, पता है क्या-क्या दिखाते रहते हैं वहाँ? Don't you think there is some kind of a need for controlling that content as well, which is not required for the society?
See, I feel control. So I don't know. Control creative world में क्या
regulation. Let me use the word regulation.
मुझे लगता है कि see, first of all, to understand whenever you call something a business and industry, I think there's certain code of conduct which everybody has to follow. You can't say I want I want to be treated like an industry, but there is no code of conduct. So there will be a code of conduct, and that code of conduct must be there. How that code of conduct evolves, I think it has to evolve with one thing in your head, which is that, and I have worked with the largest and the most reputed brands around the world, and I can tell you every brand which is a prestigious brand, which has great long-lasting relationship with their consumer, really value their consumer. What the consumer thinks about them, what they are bringing them. They are not going to ever impose what they are. They're always going to be a kind of a symbiotic relationship. There has to be huge amount of trust between consumer, between your audience, and in the case of a creative product, between your audience and the creator. If the relationship between the audience and the creator is fractured, believe me, it is a very, very sad world. Because if you believe me, when I go and watch a film or read a book, मैं almost आपको उस अपने आप को उस क्रिएटिव आदमी के हवाले कर देता हूँ कि ले चल यार, मुझे कहाँ ले जाएगा, आई एम रेडी टू गो विथ यू, आई एम रेडी टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, मेरे हाथ पकड़ के उस जहान में ले चल मुझे जहां तू जाना चाहता है. देयर इज अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रस्ट इन दैट. मैं स्वयं को आपके ऊपर छोड़ता हूं, और अगर वो ट्रस्ट मैं कहीं खो देता हूं और वो ट्रस्ट नहीं रह जाता है, तो बिलीव मी, आप किसके लिए क्रिएट करेंगे? फिर आप स्वांतः सुखाय करिए.
टीवी सीरियल पे कुछ तो कंट्रोल होना चाहिए, कुछ रेगुलेशन तो होना है. कंट्रोल नहीं कहता, इट्स अ रॉन्ग वर्ड, बट अकाउंटेबिलिटी होनी चाहिए ना.
I think accountability in any industry is very, very important. Which form the accountability should be, that should be collectively decided. But the accountability and sensitivity towards your consumer and your audience is nothing much to ask for.
How have you been handling the lockdown? आपने क्या क्या लिखा इस समय में, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दी?
मैंने बहुत लिखा. मैंने ये रहमान जी के लिए के साथ हमने गाना किया था, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, आपने सुना होगा.
जी.
एक दिया तुम्हारा और एक लौ है मेरी, टल जाएगी ये काली रात अंधेरी, हम डोर डोर साहस बटोर लाएंगे, टूटेंगे नहीं हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे.
अटल जी के कुछ वर्ड्स हैं इसके अंदर.
अच्छा, रार नहीं ठानू. हाँ,
हार नहीं मानूंगा.
जी जी. तो इसमें हमने ये लिखा था कि वो दिए जो तूफानों से शर्त लगाते हैं, वो दिए जो तूफानों से शर्त लगाते हैं, इतिहास के पन्ने उनको ही दोहराते हैं. हम दिल से बस उनको ही सलामी देते हैं, खुद से आगे जो औरों को रख पाते हैं. हम सूरज हैं, अंधकार नहीं मानेंगे, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. तो ये इंस्पिरेशनल लिखा था मैंने. और एक और चीज मैंने जो नोटिस की है, देखिए, दो तरह की क्रिएटिविटी निकल के आई है. एक तो आई फील द टेंशन फॉर क्रिएटिविटी. एक म्यूजिकल सितार को भी अगर आप टेंशन नहीं देते तो उसमें से म्यूजिक नहीं निकलता.
नहीं निकलेगा.
टेंशन इज नॉट ऑलवेज बैड एज फार एज इज हैंडलेबल. तो क्रिएटिविटी के लिए टेंशन जरूरी है. एक और रियलाइजेशन जो मुझे इस दौरान हुआ है, वो प्रकृति के साथ. देखिए, मैं उत्तराखंड में पैदा हुआ और मैंने कभी प्रकृति से लड़ाई नहीं की, प्रतिद्वंदिता नहीं की. मुझे तो नदी में पैर डुबाना अच्छा लगता था, मुझे तो पहाड़ों को देख के सुबह सुबह खूबसूरत पहाड़, सूर्योदय अच्छा लगता था. लेकिन आई डिड नॉट नो दैट एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स इज सच अ बिग थिंग दोस डेज. पहाड़ पर जीत दर्ज करना जरूरी है, या व्हाइट वाटर राफ्टिंग जरूरी है. I think it's not India's concept to show one upmanship on nature. We were always, हम उससे नतमस्तक होते थे, हम उसके सामने झुकते थे. And I think we have realized that, because आप कुछ भी बोले, collective weight of the coronavirus, all the virus which is present on this earth today is less than 1 gram. 1 gram. Less than 1 gram. उसको हम लोग, उसने हमारा पूरा जीवन बदल दिया है. 1 ग्राम से कम है पूरा वेट. आप इमेजिन कीजिए, वेयर इज आवर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस टुडे? Where are, so everything is now, so somewhere nature is telling us that, boss, I am the one who is the boss. Okay. So इसलिए मैंने लिखा था, सुनो, कुछ देर ठहर कर सुनो, कुछ कहना चाह रही है हवा, कुछ सन्नाटे भी बोल रहे, कुछ सत्य गगन से उतरे हैं, जो बंद द्वार हैं खोल रहे. सुनो, कुछ देर ठहर कर सुनो, कुछ कहना चाह रही है हवा, कुछ सन्नाटे भी बोल रहे, कुछ सत्य गगन से उतरे हैं, जो बंद द्वार हैं खोल रहे. बुनो एक जीवन फिर से बुनो, सुनो कुछ देर ठहर कर सुनो. तो इस तरह से एक लंबी पोएम है ये.